Hello everybody, Joe the Guru here again with another review / instructional video with something I got off of Amazon. It's the Enji CamEye mini camera. Records at 720p, has Wi-Fi capability, motion detection, and is also able to do loop video. Pretty neat little device, and let's see how hard it is to set up and use. Comes in a nice little box, and it's a lot smaller than what it looks like online. Plastic bag here, get it out. You got your camera there, and we got a USB micro plug right here. That's going to be for charging and data transfer, then an SD card slot, and that's going to be the power button and the mode button. Here on the back is where the magnets will attach, and this is for the microphone. Let's see what else we have in the box. This is going to be the charge and data transfer cable. It's a USB micro right there to regular USB. And then let's see what we got here. These are the clips. This is the magnetic clips that come with it. It comes with two. One that has a clip on it. You can see how they're magnetic. And then this one has a 1/4-20 screw threads on the bottom so you can mount it to a tripod, but you can see how they attach to the camera here. Let's go ahead and set it up. To get started, we're going to insert an SD card or micro SD card into the slot. You do up to 64 gigabyte card. It starts right there. Now let's power it on. Hold this for 3 seconds, and then it takes 25 seconds for this to boot up and initialize. Looks like we're ready. Alright. And this is the mode button, so now we're ready to take pictures. That just took a picture. Now we're ready for motion detection. Now to start the motion detection, you gotta tap the top mode button twice. Now it's ready to activate under motion detection. When I wave my hand, that starts it. Let's set up the app. Now to download the app, we've got to go here. And here's the URL right here. Just click that go and then download. And we'll speed up this download here. Alright, and install. It's pretty quick to install. All done, open. Now we're going to find the camera. To do this, we're going to have to connect to it over Wi-Fi. So we'll open up my Wi-Fi, and we're going to look for Cookie Cam. Refresh, there it is. And the Wi-Fi password is 1234567 8. Once connected, we'll switch back over to the other app. Once the Wi-Fi gets connected, the camera will actually appear in the app. You can see it right there. Now let's click on it and get a live feed. And there I am. Now let's take a look at the settings. Here you've got the alias, which you can change right here. We're going to set this to MyCam. Okay. Then you can change the password to access it. So you have the old access code and new ones. Your Wi-Fi settings. So you can actually set up the Wi-Fi name and password for this. Just type it in here. We'll name it Our Stuff. So the password real quick. And then the camera will reboot. Now let's look at the next settings we've got. Alright. With the Wi-Fi, and you can turn it on and off. Then we've got the video quality and video settings. So we'll check the video settings. So video model, you've got auto record, auto alarm, and close. Then you can record audio, auto loop, and the size of the video files. Then video quality, set at standard definition by default. We're gonna go ahead and change that to high definition. And then the sensitivity, or the storage capacity, we've got storage size, the amount used, And then the sensitivity settings, so you can close, low, high. And then the camera info is the IP address, all the specifics about it. You can even reboot and restore the camera here, and then give it updates. Then we've got the sync time, which syncs the camera's time with the time on your phone. And that's about it for all the settings that you have. Thanks for stopping by to check out the video. I really appreciate the view. I hope I was able to answer all of your questions about the Enji CamEye that I got on Amazon. If I did answer one of your questions, please be sure to leave a comment in the section down below and I'll get to your question as soon as I can. Also, be sure to click the subscriptions button and the notification bell. That way you get updated as soon as I upload a new video. This is Joe the Guru, and thanks for stopping by.